Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Right now we're going to take a look and see what the progress is on a few of these pomegranates that we planted a short while ago. Now, the weeds seem to be coming in a little bit. I'm going to pull some of those back, but let's look at how well these guys did over the winter. Got a lot still surviving. Let's get rid of some of these weeds. These guys over here are doing good too. Pull some of these weeds out. As it warms up, these guys should start doing even better. Now over here, I don't see as much going on, but you still have a couple of stragglers over there and a couple over here. So we're doing good. I'm happy with what I see. I mean, that's all we really need. All we need is just one of these to survive. And that's why I fight the good fight in numbers. So we see some success here, but we're going to keep monitoring these going forward as it heats up, and hopefully these will give us some stronger growth in the coming months. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel out a lot. Have a good day.